This is a great looking Royal Arrow. It is all gray and has the original glass keys on it with the chrome rims, and it's in fantastic condition. The emblems have some wear on them, but overall this typewriter looks really good. So this is a very small portable typewriter, another one that's great for those of you who want to be portable and be able to take either travel. This would be a good traveling typewriter because it's, even for a portable, it's really small. So let's take a look at the Royal Arrow. And by the way, this is a 1949. So you're going to notice on this one that it does not have a paper holder on it. And then right here, just like the other ones, you're going to find your carriage release behind the roller handles. Okay. This is going to release the tension down here so you can adjust your paper, which we'll do. I'll show you here in just a moment. And then on this side, on the left side, again, if you're not familiar, this, when you hit the return level, this is manual with a return handle, it'll advance either single, double. I think it only has two on this one, single or double. Oh, there's the single. Here's the double. Okay. This also has a magic margin, which means you just put your carriage where you want it to be, and then you hit set. Click, and you'll hear a click, and it'll set that. Okay. Let's put that in the middle. I'm going to pop open the top, and in here is, you're going to see the ribbon. So we have the color selector on the right side, and we have the spool reversal on the left. And the reason you need a spool reversal is when you get to the end of the ribbon spool, you reverse the direction because there's still plenty of ink in that ribbon, and you just keep going back and forth till you use up all of the ink. And then it's just really simple. Just pop out and pop in a new ribbon. Make sure you pay attention to the guide wires and get them in threaded properly. Up close images are available on our Etsy shop. And the black is on the top, red is on the bottom. This is a universal ribbon. You can purchase those on our website or our Etsy shop. All right, let's put that down. Oh, by the way, touch control. This is just your preference. It determines how hard these type bars are going to strike your paper. So if you want your type darker or lighter, you can adjust it there. This is a really small keypad, so this is going to be good for more petite hands. So let's take a look and see how well it types. So you just place that paper there and turn the roller handle, put the bar down, and I'm a little crooked, not too bad, so let's release the tension so I can straighten out the paper. Sorry. There you go. And let's give it a little typing thing. So no number one. So some people, when they first see that, freak out. What did I do? You just use your lowercase l. So this is a 1949. This has really great spring back on it. The feel on this is fantastic. So 1949 Royal. And this isn't called an arrow. Right now I'm typing in the red. Let's move it to black. I noticed my fingers, so you'll have to get used to it. Every typewriter is different. Because this is a smaller keyboard, the keys are closer together, so my fingers keep hitting the key next to it, which is not bad. You just need to be aware there's probably going to be a little adjustment period there. Okay, so I have tiny hands, but I can handle this keyboard much easier than the majority of manual keyboards. That's your margin, letting you know you're at the end and you need to go back to the beginning. Okay, great spring back, great feel. I love the glass keys, easy to type on. This, oh man, this is a traveling typewriter, so man, there's what's not to love about this. It's small, it works great, it's in excellent condition, it's portable. The case, if you have a case to go with it, then it's going to be easy to transport with you. If you want to take it on the airplane, it probably would fit right underneath the seat in front of you. Wow, I'm going to call this my little traveler. So if you're someone who loves to travel and you want to record your travels on the typewriter or work on your book while you're traveling around the world, or you want to take it with you to inspirational points, your favorite writing hideaways, then check out this 1949 Royal Arrow. You are going to love it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the links in our comments below. Subscribe to our channel and have a great day.